Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create ads with ad units on Google AdSense. First, log into your Google AdSense account. On the dashboard, click Ads, then Ad Units. Choose Display Ads. They're great for most websites. Name your ad unit like Sidebar Banner or Homepage tab. Pick a size like responsive, best for mobile plus desktop, or fixed size if you have exact dimensions in mind. If fixed, set your width and height carefully. Hit create to generate your ad code. Copy the code and paste it in your website's HTML where you want the ad to show. And that's it. That's how to create ads with ad units on Google AdSense. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.